Hi, I'm Tom with Tom's Universe, and welcome to my free Amazon Associates review. Look, I'm not an affiliate for Amazon. I don't get paid to do this review. I do it to help people make an informed decision. I've been helped along the way. I just want to give back. But before we start, make sure you stick around for the very end because I have a very special free gift for you. It can change your life. It's changed mine. No obligation on your part. Just read through it. So Amazon Associates is one of the most well-known and widely used affiliate marketing programs. It allows affiliates and businesses to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products through the affiliates' websites, blogs, or social media channels. To set up your account, you go to Associates Central. It has resources for reporting payments, account information, and more. All you do is you enter your tax and contact details. This is how you get paid, so don't forget to do that. You're going to get informed by doing that, and you'll get the most of your Amazon experience. See the latest deals by visiting Promotions tabs. That's Promotions tabs on the Associates Central. Check the Amazon Promo Codes tab daily for current and upcoming codes, and to create affiliate links for each code. Once you've started rounding up your favorite Amazon finds, start Amazon links with your audience to make a commission on their eligible purchases. Pardon me. While researching for Amazon Associates review, I found that you earn commission income on any qualifying items placed in a customer's shopping cart within 24 hours of their arrival at Amazon.com via your affiliate link. However, this 24-hour window closes once the customer submits their orders or re-enters Amazon.com through another affiliate's link. Once the window is closed, you'll not earn commission income on any subsequent purchases. However, if the customer then returns to Amazon.com through one of your affiliate links, this opens a new 24-hour window. Commission income is paid approximately 60 days after the end of the month for which you've been paid. So here's some pros. Amazon offers a massive range of products across various categories, making it easy to find relevant opportunities for your audience. The Amazon brand is highly recognizable and trusted, which can enhance the credibility of your promotions. They've got a good name, you got a good name. Creator University is a free, comprehensive resource to finding information that will help you succeed, whether you're an influencer, an associate. Associates get education, video tutorials, testimonials, inspiration, and more as you build your business with Amazon. Look, while commission rates can vary depending on the product category, Amazon generally offers competitive compensation for affiliates. They do. Amazon provides detailed tracking and reporting tools to help affiliates monitor their performance and optimize their campaign. Very valuable. Amazon operates in many countries worldwide, allowing affiliates to reach a global market. So here's the cons. There's always cons. Amazon's cookie duration can be relatively short, meaning that you may not earn a commission if a customer makes a purchase after a significant delay. Amazon has strict guidelines regarding affiliate marketing practices, and violations can result in account termination or worse, the gallows. Amazon Associates program may offer limited customization options for affiliate links and banners. Given the popularity of Amazon, there is significant competition among affiliates promoting their products. So let's talk about overall here. Amazon Associates can be a valuable affiliate marketing program, especially for those with a broad audience and an interest in promoting a wide range of products. However, it's important to understand the program's policies, commission rates, and cookie duration before joining. If you're willing to comply with Amazon's guidelines and leverage their brand recognition, Amazon Associates can be a lucrative opportunity. Here's some additional considerations. Niche focus. Consider specializing in a particular niche within Amazon to increase your chances of success. Content quality. Create high quality content that's informative and engaging to attract and convert your audience. Okay. Adhere to ethical affiliate marketing practices and avoid misleading or deceptive tactics. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can determine if Amazon Associates is the right affiliate marketing program for your goals. Look, I'm a dad, a grandfather, and a former realtor for 45 years. I found affiliate marketing, and in my opinion, it is the best online business, bar none. The upside is passive income. It has a low startup cost. You can do it from anywhere. You don't have to buy product or hold inventory. You don't need customer service, staff, or an office or a warehouse. So to sum this all up, if you're looking to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business and you don't know where to go or you don't know how to do it, you should look at my free ebook. Costs you not a dime. It gives you the 3 steps to start a side hustle with high-ticket affiliate marketing without having a product experience or being a tech expert. Go to my comments, hit the link tomsuniverse.net for your free ebook gift. Look, check it out just to see if affiliate marketing is for you. It may be, it may not be, Save you a lot of time. While you're there, hit the subscribe button for future videos. Look, thanks for watching my Amazon Associates review, and I'll see you next time.